Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my Manny and Me March subscription box from Maniology. If you don't know what that is, this is a monthly subscription box for $25. You get 2 exclusive stamping plates, 2 stamping polishes, and a surprised gift. I will leave a link in my description box if you're interested in checking it out. Now to the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. You get 2 cards, and the first card is a description of the stamping polishes and the theme of the month. So for this month, it's called Sweet and Sultry. And this is just a little tutorial on how to create this design. And it looks like they put a little sticker in this one. Be unique and slay. Cute. So once I remove the wrapping, the first thing I see in the box is going to be these stamping polishes. So I'm going to go ahead and get that open. Ooh. Okay. So the stamping polish that I see here, it's like a dark brown, I believe. Looks like a dark brown. And it's called Leather. Okay. And then, what is this? Doesn't look like a stamping polish. I believe this one's just a lacquer, a regular nail polish. Let's see what the card says. This one is called, oh, this one's called Lace. And yes, Lace is actually a sheer black nail polish. So that's what that is. So this month we got 1 stamping polish and 1 stamping, 1 stamping polish and 1 lacquer, regular nail polish. Okay, and the stamping plates we got, which looks like the bonus gift is an extra stamping plate, which is awesome. I love having these stamping plates. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little box out of the way. So these are the stamping plates. So the first stamping plate I see is going to be this one. This is pretty. And this one is Maniology manixmeboxing. Very cute. I like that. The second one is this one. Maniology manixmeunboxing. And the bonus one, Maniology M187. This one's very cute. So this is everything that I got for this month. Please keep watching for a demo of these products. Okay, so now for the demo, I'm going to head and demo the lacquer, the nail polish lacquer. And I'm going to go ahead and use a swatch stick for that, so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And it's supposed to be a sheer black. So let's see. Oh yeah, very, very sheer. So if you want to build this color up, you're gonna, yeah, definitely gonna have to do a lot of coats. But if you like that sheer color, you're good to go. So that's what it looks like. So you could see. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and stamp with the stamping polish, which actually, it's actually a dark red, not a dark brown that I thought it was. I read the card and then it actually did say a dark red. So I went ahead and got some nail tips ready. I went ahead and painted them black and white, and I used the Beetles gel polish, and the black one is $3.44 and the white one is $2.25. And so the first plate I'm gonna go ahead and stamp is going to be manixmeboxing. And I just want to see what it looks like on a white and black background. So I'm also going to use the Maniology stamper, the monocle stamper, and their scraper. So I'm just going to grab a random image. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Oh yeah, now you could see that it's a dark red. Scrape. Pick up the image. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and stamp. So that's what it looks like. Obviously you can't see it on the black because it's a dark color, but it looks really good on the white. Very pretty. Okay, go ahead and clean off the stamper. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick another image. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go with one of the little ones, the longer ones. I'm gonna go with this one. There's that. Go ahead and stamp it there. And that's what it looks like. It's very pretty, very, very pretty on the white side. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stamp, use another stamping plate, which I'm gonna go ahead and use the manixmeunboxing. And then for this one, I am going to use, let's see, I think I'm gonna use this image right here. that image. Wow. Then we'll take this one. And then I'm going to use another image, and I'm going to use one of the small ones as well. Let's see. I'm going to go with this one. Picks up very nice. I like that. Very nice. I like that. Very pretty. So then I'm going to go ahead and use the last plate. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of the big ones. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay. Oh wow, that's very pretty. That you could definitely see it on the white. Look how pretty that is. I like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of the smaller images. Let's see. I'm going to go with this one. And there you go. That's very pretty on the white side of the tip, nail tip. Oh, I like that. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how I did. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.